where they got. Here it is right here. They towed it in and dropped the damn thing right here, guys. Supposedly, no start, no power steering. Actually, I don't know if it'll start it now. Let's see. Okay. Oh well. No power steering must have been what the complaint is. What they talking about. All right, guys. Oh, and the battery light come on. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Let's do this before we do anything else. We're talking about a battery light as well as no power steering. Guys, there's one culprit that runs both of those. That is the serpentine belt. Let's take a look at something real quick. Looks like that serpentine belt is off. Let me take y'all dumpster diving right quick. See if y'all can see anything. What y'all see? I can't see nothing, but I can feel. Yeah, guys, I gotta get this towed. No, actually, I can drive it in. I gotta get it driven in quickly. Okay, so let's get it, y'all. This is a short video. Okay, we're gonna do some filming. I just got word that some of the newbies want to watch this stuff. I'm not gonna be able to get it all, but I get you some. As far as the alternator, guys, it varies from car to car as far as how to get it off. Like I say, this is a Caravan. These Caravan bodies are the same from 2008 all the way up to 2020. Yes, long time, ain't it? Right. And this alternator, best from bringing it out up top. Okay. Now you can see I got room. That's simply because I have the fan assembly out. If this fan was there, there wouldn't be no room. So I got the fan out. I'm gonna loosen the alternator up right here and take it out up top. One thing of note, guys, when I was feeling around, yeah, see how tight this power steering is? I think, get all this belt out the way. I think, oh my goodness, I hope this, yeah, I hope it's not seized. It's just that belt is wrapped around it and making it feel like it's seized. That's why diagnosis is crucial, guys. I remember the one I got bit on with that ABS. So anytime you're dealing with stuff like this, go through every pulley and try to verify what's failed and what's not. Let's see. Yeah, see, there's more. All right, so yeah, I'm still digging, turning, digging. Yeah, it's, oh, look at that. There's more. Yeah, that pulley's still stiff, which means there's still some restrictions. Come on, baby, come to Papa. Oh, did I get it all? Yes. Now, is it not bent? If it's bent, guys, I gotta get a whole nother power steering pump, and I do not want to do that. So it seems like it's gonna be fine. But as far as this baby right here go, yeah, you see all the belt trapped in the groove, and of course the tensioner. This is the tensioner pulley. You can get this pulley separate, guys. I don't know why they sell it like this. Like the whole tensioner, man, almost $200. Just the pulley, maybe 20 or 30 bucks. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, let this car. Look at this head, man. We're gonna take a look at this when I get it off. All right, so finally, yeah, guys, this is why inspect. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, I would have had a field day trying to dig all of that burnt belt out of there. So might as well just do yourself a favor and get a new one. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna go in with a new Isla pulley. All right, let's get this freaking alternator. Again, we're going from the top, guys. All right, you have that option now. I don't know if you want to just bring it out from the bottom. I don't know how you're gonna clear the AC line. I mean, everybody different. Some of you guys will squeeze it through here. I don't know, but I have the luxury of doing it a better way up top. To each his own, guys. There's no right or wrong way. It's whatever floats your boat and whatever suits you and make your life simpler. Why am I still seeing belt? Look at, God, still something wrapped around this pulley. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I gotta take this off, guys. I'm suspecting. Yeah, good thing this not press fit. Okay, this harmonic balancer. So take the bolt off and it should just slide off. Good, because I have to get all of this freaking old belt out of there. I'll make sure I got it all out. But all right, guys, let's continue. All right, guys, y'all see that? So it's a good thing I followed my guts. All right, so yeah, some belt trap. Now the big question is, yeah, I saw that oil. Did it damage the seal? Yeah, let's take a look. What y'all think? I should go in with a new front crank seal. Looks like it's gonna be fine. Looks like the oil just come off of the internals of the in here. So yeah, so it should be fine. All right, let's continue. All right, guys, I got the alternator loose, all the bolt loose, but let me explain something to you guys. If you're clumsy or you're reckless, you might want to put something in front of this radiator. All right, I have pinhole punched a couple of radiators in my day. All right, so yes, it's easy to spring a leak. You can barely touch that and you'll start leaking. Okay, so I highly suggest, normally I'd have a cardboard in front of this to block anything from hitting it, so I'm just gonna pull it out real easy. But let me put this warning out there: do not so much breathe hard on this radiator or it'll start leaking. So when you get ready to bring this alternator out, finagle it very carefully, all right, so you can get it out in one piece without tapping that radiator, or you will spring a leak. Alrighty, guys, we got it out in one piece. Yes, I did not ding the radiator. Like I say, be extremely careful working up close to that radiator, because one small move and it's a wrap. Look at this. This is why the belt slung. How did this happen? I do not know. Let's set it next to the new one and see what, because I got to turn this in as a core. I'm curious to know what they do. Yeah, is these instructions? Oh, it's just, wow, this is a little cover, guys. So I guess the cover is to hide. Did this work its way off? I don't know, guys. One day that I get an alternator that I do not have to turn in for core, we gonna tear it down, guys, and see what the hell going on. But made the belt sling. All right, I gotta get this new one on, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. Now this came in the alternator, in the new Mopar alternator. I guess you put this on if you didn't have one. I had one on it. It's just there to guide the top part so fluid or whatever can't leak on it. In the event you have an oil leak, yeah, it just sit right here on top of the alternator. So I'm not gonna I'm gonna talk through what else I got to do. Remember, guys, always disconnect the battery. Some people only do the negative. Hey, whatever floats your boat, just get make sure they both not on. Okay, take your pick, whichever one you want to disconnect, but just make sure there's no electricity going through the vehicle, especially if you're doing something like alternate. Even if the battery dead, still disconnect that thing. I'm replacing an alternator for peeps sake. All right, so yes, let me wrap this up. Getting ready to put the new alternator on. Then I'm gonna put the fan back on. That's what's missing, guys, just in case y'all wondering, how do you get it out the top? Yes, I had to remove the fan and the upper radiator hose. And because that hose is off, guys, I now have introduced air into the cooling system, so I will have to properly bleed it. Right? How do you do that? There's a bleeder screw right here. I typically use my bleeder funnel, all right, on top of the right here, and I fill it up. Make sure all the air pockets out. All right, I'm gonna get the new belt on, the new alternator on, the new pulley, and last but not least, we're gonna go on a long test drive. Make sure that do not happen again. Why it happened, I don't know. Some things are explainable, some are not. That's one of those. It's not explainable. Alternator came apart. The only thing I can say. So I'm pretty much done with this video, guys. Everything else is easy peasy put back together. All right, that's all I have, man. I appreciate y'all watching.